Hello guys, very good evening to all of you. I am Nakul and you are watching my YouTube channel Rail Fan Nakul, and today is 31st of December 2021. That is, today is New Year's Eve and 2022 is just few hours away from us, and today we are doing a short train journey from Indore Junction, the commercial capital of Madhya Pradesh, till Rani Kamlapati railway station, formerly known as Habibganj railway station, which is an important station of Bhopal city, which is also the capital of Madhya Pradesh state. And this journey we will be doing in train number 22191 Indore Jabalpur overnight superfast express. And we have booked an Ola cab which will take us to the Indore Junction railway station. So see you at Indore Junction railway station. So finally we are inside the cab and we are going towards Indore Junction railway station. So the train will depart at 7:30 p.m. So we have plenty of time to reach the railway station. Current time is 6:15 p.m. So we have almost 1 hour and 15 minutes to go. So let's see when we reach the railway station, and for next update you will get at railway station. So finally we have arrived at the station and boarded the train, and our journey will be doing today in sleeper class, and our seat number is S7, 61 and 64. 61 is the middle berth and 64 is the side upper berth. So talking about Indore Junction railway station, it is an important railway station that connects the city of Indore to various important cities in India. And this station was built in the year 1893. It was redeveloped in the year 1912 and it was electrified in the year 2012. Around more than 100 trains originate and terminate from this station, and Indore was located on the main meter gauge line between Ajmer and Kachiguda. You can see the national flag flying high. Our Indian national flag is flying high. Indore station code is INDB and it consists of 6 platforms, 4 main platforms and 2 island platforms, which was constructed in the year 2016. So talking about this train, so this train was introduced in the year 2009 and was used to run between Jabalpur and Bhopal Junction, and in the year 2010 it was extended till Indore Junction. And this train is a daily train that runs between Indore Junction and Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh, and this train covers a distance of 555 kilometers in 10 hours and 10 minutes. It departs daily from Indore Junction at 7:30 p.m. and reaches Jabalpur the next day at 5:40 a.m., thus covering a distance of 555 kilometers in 10 hours and 10 minutes, and its average speed is 55 kilometers per hour, and it consists of 22 coaches, and it has 9 sleeper coaches, 4 third AC coaches, 2 second AC coaches, 1 first AC coach, and 4 second class reservation coaches, that is sitting reservation coaches. And the fare from Indore to Jabalpur in first AC is 2810 rupees, second AC is 1310 rupees, third AC is 935 rupees, sleeper class fare is 335 rupees, and second sitting fare is 205 rupees. This train does not have any pantry car, and this train goes via Devas Junction, Maksi, Bhopal Junction, Rani Kamlapati railway station, Hoshangabad, Itarsi Junction, Pipriya, Gadarwara, Narsinghpur, and finally terminates at Jabalpur Junction. So our train will depart from platform number 4, and the train standing on platform number 3 is Indore Amritsar Weekly Express. So now the time is 7:30 p.m. and the train has departed from platform number 1 platform number 4 of Indore Junction railway station. The train started from Indore Junction station, and after just few seconds someone pulled the chain and train again came to a halt. Talking about washroom of this train, we will find a big mirror in this train. Then you have this wash basin area. Then you have this window. Then this is Indian toilet. Now talking about its cleanliness, it's not very clean. This is for the flush, and this is the mug and washroom cleaner, washroom this tap, and this is for holding. And it has written here no smoking, and this is the ventilation duct. So our train has started again from Indore Junction railway station. It is slowly and slowly leaving the platform number 4 of Indore Junction railway station. One unique feature you will find in this berth is this. You can just hold this, you can keep this up, and you can keep it on this seat while sleeping, so that because of this partition it will not cause pain to your back. So talking about the seat composition of this coach is that you have 3 seats here, then 3 seats here, lower, middle and upper. You will find a mirror, 2 charging sockets, and this is we are sitting on side lower berth. There is no charging socket on side lower berth, and this is the side upper berth where you will find 2 charging sockets here. So in a coupe there are 8 coaches are there. Now this is how the wash area looks like. You have big mirror here, a wash station here, and here you have dustbin. One more dustbin is in here, and you have the fire extinguisher. And this is the passageway to go to another coach. The coach next to us is the third AC coach, and this is the partition between our coach and the third AC coach. So train number 22191 Indore Jabalpur overnight superfast express is one of the prestigious train of the West Central Railway Jabalpur division, and this train got LHB coaches in the year 2020, and it is also one of the ISO certified trains. So finally we have arrived at Dewas Junction railway station after covering a distance of 39 kilometers. Station code is DWX, and it is a 3 platform railway station, and it is known as junction as 3 lines goes from Dewas Junction. 1 line from there we coming from Indore, 2nd line goes towards Ujjain Junction, and 3rd line goes towards Maksi Junction where our train will go. And the train standing opposite to me is Bhopal Dr. Ambedkar Nagar Intercity going towards Dr. Ambedkar Nagar railway station. Departure from Dewas Junction. Our train arrived at Dewas Junction 30 minutes behind its scheduled time, and since the train stopped only for 1 minute, so I did not get out of the train. So departing from Dewas Junction, and it's very cold outside. The temperature is in single digits. your mask and sanitize and wash your hands at regular interval to prevent the spread of new variant of coronavirus, that is Omicron variant. Because we all know that Omicron variant is highly infectious variant, so do take very good care of yourself. So finally, after covering a distance of 75 kilometers from Indore Junction, our train has arrived at its second stop, that is Maksi Junction, and it has arrived 25 minutes behind its scheduled time. Maksi Junction station code is MKC, and it has 3 platform stations. Daily around 50 trains halt at this station, and this station is known as junction because 4 lines passes through this station. One line coming from Devas, from where we have recently arrived. One line goes towards Bhopal Junction, on which our train will go. One line coming from Ujjain Junction, and one line going towards Guna Gwalior section. That is why this station is known as junction. Departure from Maksi Junction. Now since it's too dark outside and there is nothing much to show, so I will be skipping some stations en route, and we will meet at either at Sant Hardaram Nagar railway station, or we will directly meet at Bhopal Junction railway station. So finally, after travelling a distance of 208 kilometers from Indore Junction, our train has arrived at Sant Hardaram Nagar railway station. Its code is HSRN, and it comes under Bhopal Division, West Central Railway, and daily around 80 trains pass through this station, and this station has only 2 platforms, and Sant Hardaram Nagar railway station serves the Bairagad area of Bhopal city, and Bairagad is famous for its Sindhi establishment. The train has arrived 20 minutes before its scheduled time. Its scheduled time of arrival was 11 hours and 8 minutes, but we arrived at 10 hours and 48 minutes. So the train will stop here for 25 minutes approx, and then it will proceed for Bhopal Junction railway station. And Bairagad station is around 10 kilometers from Bhopal Junction railway station. One more interesting fact about this train is that this train shares its rake with Somnath Jabalpur Express, which runs between Somnath, an important pilgrimage town in state of Gujarat, till Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh. And from Sant Hardaram railway station, one line goes directly towards Delhi Chennai main line bypassing Bhopal Junction, and other line comes from Sihor, and one line goes towards Bhopal Junction. So Sant Hardaram Nagar can also be termed as the Hardaram Nagar Junction. Departure from Sant Hardaram Nagar railway station. Finally, after covering a distance of 218 km, our train has arrived at Bhopal Junction railway station. Bhopal Junction is classified as A1 category of railway station of Indian Railways, and it comes under Bhopal division of West Central Railway zone, and daily around 200 to 250 trains passes through this station, and around 25 to 30 trains originate and terminate at this station. And Bhopal is also known as the administrative capital of Indian state of Madhya Pradesh, and Bhopal is known as Junction because here 3 line passes through this station. One line goes towards Itarsi, one line goes towards Bina Junction, and one line goes towards Sihor, Maksi, Ujjain and Indore. And that is the reason why Bhopal is known as Junction. And talking about number of platforms, so Bhopal station has 6 number of platforms, and our train has arrived at platform number 4, and the train has arrived 7 minutes behind its scheduled time, and it will arrive Rani Kamlapati at 11:45 pm. It is expected to arrive at 11:45 pm. And Bhopal station is one of the most important station. It lies on Delhi-Mumbai line and Delhi-Chennai main line. So many prestigious trains like Rajdhani, Shatabdi, Duronto passes through this station. And one Shatabdi train between Bhopal and New Delhi, I would say Rani Kamlapati and New Delhi, originate from this station. It was used to originate from Bhopal station, but now it has been extended till Rani Kamlapati railway station. Bhopal is a beautiful city and also known as city of lakes, and there are various tourist places located in Bhopal such as Upper Lake, Lower Lake, and Jainuma Palace, and many more other things like Sair Sapata, Van Vihar. It is located in Bhopal. Departure from Bhopal Junction. So finally, after covering a distance of 224 kilometers from Indore Junction, we have finally arrived at our destination, that is Rani Kamlapati railway station, which is recently rebuilt by PPP model, that is public-private partnership model, and earlier it was known as Habibganj railway station, but now it has been changed to Rani Kamlapati railway station. And this station was inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji on 15th of November 2021, and this is one of the few stations which has been redeveloped under public-private partnership model. The other one I remember is Gandhinagar railway station. And here ends our journey vlog, but before I end my video, I will show you some redevelopment of this station, some glimpse of the redevelopment of this station. And the total number of platform on this station is 6. This is my first visit to this station after its redevelopment. See, you can see that how clean and well maintained this station is. Hats off to Ministry of Railways and central government for redevelopment of this station. So this is the subway. You can see to my left, this is the subway. Once you enter this railway station, you will feel like you are not standing on railway station, but you will feel like you are standing or you are moving in an airport. See how beautifully built this railway station is. So this is the exit to AIIMS, ISBT and BHEL, retiring room 6789, and to exit to Arera Colony and Kolar Road, exit through platform number 1, 2 and 3. Right now the time is 12 am and here comes the 2022. So very happy new year 2022 everyone. May this year brings happiness and joys in your life and wash away sorrows from each and everyone's life. May God wash away each and every sufferings. May God bless each and everyone with good health. So this station is redeveloped by PPP model and Bansal Group of Bhopal. They have redeveloped this railway station. You can see their board, Bansal Group of Institutes. About to exit from this Rani Kamlapati railway station, and I hope that in future more and more stations will be developed as per public-private partnership model that will increase not only the revenue of railways, but that will also make passenger feel that they are having a luxurious time while traveling in train, like the experience while they fly in planes. Finally, we are at the end of this vlog. We have come out of the railway station. So I hope you enjoyed the journey as well as you enjoyed the glimpse of the Rani Kamlapati railway station. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and share my video, and please give me your important feedback for any improvement. That's all for today. Happy New Year. See you soon and God bless you all. Thank you. Thanks a lot.